Desert Town Tuner here. Today, we're going to be talking about the dreaded Audi 2.0 TFSI. Dude, I'm just kidding, guys, but today we really are going to be talking about infamous oil drinking Audi 2.0. This is a 11, a 4. It has 73,000 miles on it. Pulled the engine. Here I am. I know you guys clicked on this video to see the results on this. Please note, guys, I am not sponsored by said used cleaner. Let me share my experience, guys. I did use this SeaFoam on the crankcase, or I did it twice. Both times I ran it 350 miles each time with brand new oil and a brand new filter. It says to use it for 100 or 300 miles, so I did 700 miles. And what it did was that it did fix the consumption a little bit. I had to add a half quart every 60 miles. After the treatment, I was adding a half a quart every 150 miles. So it improved about 90 miles, which is not bad. But over time, it did create leaks. And I don't know if it was just because of wear tear or it was the SeaFoam. But let me show you. Here's what the crankcase looks like after the SeaFoam treatment. You can actually see the markings down here with the letters. It looks pretty clean if you ask me. I think it looks clean. You can see the balance shaft chain looks pretty clean still. It doesn't, I don't see no sludge or anything, so I'm assuming it did clean, it did work. However, my turbo took, so I do not know if it was the treatment, I did it too long or what it was, but or it could be just wear and tear. You see my little turbine? Look at that. It's not supposed to do that. So I could hear this rattling, and the car was just, it was just smoking. So that's when I decided I was like, I gotta do the piston job on this before I make it worse. I'm trying to save this car because it only has 73,000 miles on it. Let me compare the pistons. So this is what it looks like after running the SeaFoam and the crankcase and in the gas for 700 miles. You could still see a bunch of carbon and old gas and old oil on it. These look pretty clean a little bit. After I did the engine teardown, I found out that 2 of the injectors are bad and the high pressure fuel pump is leaking into the oil. So I think that's what caused more damage and causes the turbo to give out. And you can see the last piston in there. Look at all that carbon. And there's oil and gas in there. These are the block's still good, so that's good. This is the piston number 1 that I took out. I don't know if you guys could see. There it is. It has a bunch of holes, so these are the outdated old style oil control ring. Look at that. You can see the little holes a little bit, but for the most part, 99% of it is clogged up. Look at that. There's no saving this. You can see little holes, but look at that. They just clogged up. This is the updated piston. Look at the oil control ring on that. It's the updated waffle style, and that's what you want in there. These pistons were provided by Max Speeding Rods. I'm gonna leave you the link to the new updated pistons so you guys could check them out if you guys are trying to do the update on your car. I know that another YouTube said they will boil SeaFoam and throw it on the cylinder head and see if it works or whatever, but honestly I don't think it'll work. Looking at the level of carbon that's in there, I honestly don't think it'll work. It does work to a certain extent, I guess, if you're not severely bad as this one was, because I guess the previous owner neglected it. Bad oil, bad gas, I don't know, it could be a lot of things, which I'm pretty sure it's both combined. That's what the SeaFoam did to me, but it is what it is. We're rebuilding it right here. I will post a video so you guys can see the results after updating the pistons. It's getting a brand new turbo, no timing chains, new guides. It's just getting rebuilt. The whole thing is just gonna get rebuilt. The cylinder head is in the machine shop, just getting tested and inspected to see if it needs anything. So that's where we're at with this. I hope this video helps you guys, and I will see you guys on the next video. Give it a thumbs up, like it, subscribe, so you guys can see more video of the progress of this Audi A4, and I will see you guys on the next video.